how to buy Punch token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there's a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their community on X. As you can see, they have big community there, and keep following their updates about this token. So this token is available on the explainer. It's created 26 days ago and increased by 19 to 20% in less than 4 hours. The market cap of this token is $13.6 million. This token, as you can see, created under this Solana token. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and now open your funds market. For that, after that, click here on swap and make sure to select the Solana token from here. Now click here and paste token address in the search bar. So as you can see, this also gonna click on it. So here you can type how much you want to buy. And this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. Now scroll down and you will be able to find the swap, click on it. After that, they will be able to redirect you to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Punch token. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.